Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, thought of the day for school morning assembly. And this thought is by Mahatma Gandhi. The future depends on what you do today. Means, as we grow up, we dream about how we would set our future or how we would like our future to look like. We develop a set of expectation, we develop our passion. It is important that we continuously work towards our goal, and most of our journeys requires hard work. Dear friends, to make life meaningful and fruitful, we must understand that the seed we sow today will give us yield tomorrow. So let's we make plan and start taking action from now so that we will be able to achieve our goal in the future. Remember that a successful entrepreneur did not build his business overnight. It may have taken him years to achieve that. So, doing our best now can help us in succeeding to enjoy successful future. Thank you.